What truly defines the next leap in 3D printing technology? Is it just speed? Or is it the precision and reliability that unlocks new creative possibilities? We've been exploring the Bambu Lab H2D, trying to understand what this new extruder brings to the table. Join us as we delve into its capabilities and see if it truly redefines high-speed, high-detail 3D printing. Let's start with the design. The H2D is engineered for. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete rethinking of how we extrude filament. We've seen the results and they're impressive. We're talking about. But what do these numbers mean for creators and makers? We're talking about more intricate prints, faster prototyping, and the ability to work with a wider range of materials. Of course, this level of performance comes with a certain price point. The H2D is designed for those who demand the absolute best in 3D printing. But for those who need unparalleled precision and speed, it's a game changer. Ultimately, the Bambu Lab H2D represents a significant step forward in 3D printing technology. It's an extruder that's poised to unlock new levels of creativity and innovation. What are your thoughts on the Bambu Lab H2D? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, if you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.